Surapalli Nandagaru, Judge, Telangana High Court, the Director of GVR Karate Academy, Dr. G. Gopal Reddy garu, ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన all participants, their parents, the organizers and the media people, a very good morning to all of you. Today, you all have got the opportunity to show your determination, discipline and dedication. The three words which explain the motto of GVR Academy. Many of you may be knowing that this academy is almost 3 decades old. It is more than 30 years. And in 30 years, this academy has trained more than 10 lakhs students. I think that itself may be a big record. As we all know, his two talented daughters of Gopal Reddy garu have been breaking Guinness Book of World Records almost every year. Congratulations to their father, to the daughters, as well as to the academy. I want to share something with you. Recently, the Telangana Prison Department has conducted All India Prison Duty Meet, where 24 states and union territories from all over India participated. Almost 1,300 people participated in these competitions. And our team, which was trained by Gopal Reddy garu, by the GVR Academy, won the maximum number of medals, especially gold medals. And I must say that it is because of this win that Telangana Prison Department could lift the overall championship cup. I am very grateful to Gopal Reddy garu and to the GVR Academy for having trained our prison department people for so many years. They have been training us in our basic induction course and in various refresher courses. So this has helped in strengthening not only the physical capacity of our force, but also help them to grow good confidence and mental strength. As we all know, prison department deals with the not so good elements of the society. Many times they have to face physical and mental challenges inside the prison from criminals. At that time, the training that karate and Krav Maga gives them, the discipline and the courage that helps them in facing the challenges of a service that they are all doing. So already the GVR Academy has many accolades. They have won many national awards, Vishishta Seva Ratna Puraskar, Karate Ratna Award, Pratibha Award, and Excellence and Best Trainer Awards. A big congratulations to all of them and wish the Academy, the Director and all those who are associated with it all the very best. Wish all the participants all the best, and the very fact that you are participating, whether you get medals or not, that itself is a very big thing. It is the sportsman spirit that is most important. So wish you all again all the best, wish the Academy all the best, and wonderful to be here. I must congratulate the Malcolm participants who did a wonderful job. I have seen, it was really spectacular performance by Malcolm people. I have seen many Malcolm demonstrations, but such a tender age, such small children doing what is physically very difficult is really great. Congratulations to all the children, their parents and their coach. I must also congratulate the dancers who were dressed in very brilliant costumes. So they did extremely good presenting the traditional dance of our country, of the state. So thank you. You did a great job. Very nice. Wonderful performance. So I thank them again for giving this performance here. And finally I thank the GVR Academy, the organizers who have worked since last 4 to 5 months to organize this great event here. So all the best. Thank you so much for inviting me here and giving me the privilege to be with you all. Thank you. Jai Hind.